Hope you all like my previous vlog. If you missed it, I have added the links in the end screens. Now let's check out the new vlog.
Look at the mountains. कितने सारे mountains हैं. Rocky Mountain is one of the biggest national park. और mountains देखो उधर दूर पे. कोई भी किधर भी आके कैंपिंग कर रहा है. I mean, you can literally take your RV and camp anywhere. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. So, look at this. This is the entrance. Look at this beautiful view. That's the place. Where? Trees. So this place is so huge that you have to at least plan for like 4 or 5 days. Otherwise, not possible. Amazing place. Swarg hi hai.
In a quarter mile at the traffic circle, take
Swarg.
the first exit onto US 36 North St. Vrain Avenue.
Literally. Now I am in this place. Look at this. God. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Look at this beauty. So amazing, amazing. Look at this. What can I say? Just beauty. I just can't believe it. So that's the Rocky Mountain National Park entrance. Established. Just way too amazing. So this is where you take the tickets. Okay. Check out that. Clouds on the mountains. Beautiful. Trial Ridge Road closed. Hi there.
How are you doing today?
We are lucky. We survived an accident, so
Okay.
yeah, we
So
changed the rental.
Okay. Do you want a one-day pass?
I'm going to go inside like tomorrow also, so probably
So 1
weekly.
week?
Yeah. This is Bear Lake Road. Check this out. Bamboo trees again.
No. Pine tree.
Pine
Oak tree.
tree.
Pine tree.
Look at this Bear Lake Road. Amazing Bear Lake Road.
Pine tree.
Wow. It's like in a childhood we used to see those posters, scenic posters. So it's like that. Amazing, beautiful. Yeah, that is also true. हमने pull out किया है. It's absolutely beautiful. Sprague Lake is awesome. So Sprague Lake, that's the picnic area.
In 800 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
This is one of the beauty. Okay, let us park here. Parking is almost full. So we are here at this Sprague Lake, and one of the beautiful lake. A small trekking over here, but absolutely awesome. Let me show you. So that's just a 0.7 mile loop here. Look at this. Beautiful. Amazing. Okay, look at all these fishes. Beautiful fish.
May.
Small fishes. So that's the Sprague Lake here. Wow. So look at this. Wow. I mean, just wow. I cannot believe my eyes. This is amazing, beautiful. Just, oh my God. I wanna here, this place, amazing. I'm telling you, sometimes I feel like it's just worth. What a place, what a magnificent place. कैसे लग रहा है? It's all worth, right?
कश्मीर को आए.
Photos, yeah.